Are your contacts getting messy with duplicates? In this video, I will show you how to merge duplicate contact in GoHighLevel so your CRM stays clean and organized effortlessly. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and boost your productivity. And we help you to work smarter, not harder. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our Easy Tech tutorial. And obviously check the link from the description for the 30 days GoHighLevel trial link and the live bootcamp access and some exclusive bonuses. So check the link from the description to grab the offer, and let's get back to the video. So to do that, once you're inside your GoHighLevel account by logging in, you need to head over on this contact and just look for the duplicate. Let's say these two are my duplicated contacts, so just selecting this, and you can see there is an option to merge. Just click on this merge here and set the final details here. So all of the access I want to give this, and let's give it a name for this one, not Rima, it's Rim, and it has the primary email but it doesn't. Then just selecting this, or the date of birth will be this one, and these both are similar. Then click on this merge contact. Now give it a time and get back. Now refresh this page. See, the duplicated contact is deleted and it's the final contact, and all the information is preserved or included in this contact. So that's it. Basically, this is how you can easily merge the duplicated contact and keep your dashboard very clean to work and organize. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to use the link from the description to grab the offer. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.